Hi, my name is Simon, and today I'll be showing you a soft hand drill. This drill will help you receive pitches in the game. So all you have to do in this drill is get down in your ready position when you're catching and receive the balls and drop them. And that's it. Thank you for watching.